this is Chantal from Peaceful Living NH. Today we are going to work on super fun projects. We are going to deck out our garden for the summer. When you are creating your container arrangements, you want to think about three main things to focus on, and that's your thriller, filler, and spiller. Your thriller is going to be the tallest element in your container. The filler is going to be the one that's stepped down from that, and the thriller is going to be the one that's going to spill over the container and provide this beautiful dramatic effect. Right here, this is our coleus. That's going to be our thriller. And for our filler, I have two things. I have right here the verbena that's also going to spill as well. It's going to act as a filler and a spiller, and this is Verbena nana compacta, I think apricot. It has beautiful apricot color, and I think it will play out well with the petunias right here. So I have different varieties of petunias right here. I'm going to be choosing a couple of them to plant in this container, and I'm going to choose this variety right here. If you guys can see, it's kind of a beautiful purple magenta color. And then this variety right here, that's more of a softer pink, kind of on the, actually you can see it right here. It's a soft pink, and then as it ages, it fades into this color right here, which is more of a white. First one right here, which is the soft pink variety, is vein pink. This one is the blue one, which in the horticulture community, they consider purple to be blue. I don't know why. So we're gonna be planting the vein pink right here and the petunia blue. So as you can see, this one has more of also like a little bit of a thriller effect. It's going to grow taller than the vein pink right here. The vein pink is going to be more of the filler, and it's going to spill a little bit. So this is going to be a little bit of a step down from our black dragon coleus. And then in addition to that, I'm also going to be adding the royal carpet alyssum. So these are all going to be going in these containers right here, and I'm going to arrange them and plant them. You're going to be adding some slow release fertilizer, and along with that you are going to be fertilizing your annuals weekly or bi-weekly so that they can put on a beautiful show for you, because a lot of these annuals, especially like the petunias, they require a lot of fertilization. Now the verbena does not require as much fertilization as the petunia does, so if you want something with lower maintenance, choose verbena. It's going to require less fertilization, or calibrachoa, that's also going to require less fertilization, less maintenance than the petunias. These are looking good already. All right, let's take a closer look at them, and let me show you what I have done. Let's go to this one right here. I think maybe we can see it better. Planted the sweet alyssum right here in the middle, in the front, because I wanted it to trail over. I also have here the petunia blue and the pink vein petunia right here. So we have pink vein petunia, sweet alyssum, blue petunia, and then we have the verbena, and it just repeats this way all around the pot. And then these petunias, the blue ones, were so leggy, so I cut them back, and then I took a cutting from them. I should actually take that flower off, and I stuck it in here. And petunias root super easily as long as you keep them moist. And the reason why I did that is because I just wanted to add a little bit more filler in here, and these petunias, the blue ones, grow taller more than spreading, so it's going to fill up the area over here around the coleus. The coleus, it looks like one of them is broken, so I may have to replace this one. We'll see how it does. I don't know. I think these are going to look so beautiful together. It's going to be stunning once the summer heat hits in and these start to fill in. I already put the slow release fertilizer in here. I'm using organic slow release fertilizer, and I will be fertilizing them as soon as I'm done planting everything over here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a wonderful gardening season this season. So I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!